What's up guys, so this is a video on how to connect to the capture app with the GoPro Hero 5 and 6 Black. So what I noticed was that everybody was showing how to connect up to the capture app for the first time, but they weren't really showing you how to connect up after that, which is a different way. So I thought I'd make a video and help anybody who's having problems connecting up. So right guys, before I forget, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe and leave any comments below. If you need any help, just ask. So right, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to connect up for the first time, and then after that I'll show you how to connect up after that. So the first thing we need to do is turn the camera on by pressing the mode button. Next thing we need to do is slide the menu button down, go to connect, connect new devices, connect to the capture app. Here it gives you the camera name and password, and it'll give you up to a certain time to pair it as well. So we'll go to settings, we'll go to Wi-Fi connection. Where it says GP and the numbers, that's the camera, and you know GP stands for GoPro, so we'll hit that. Now it's asking for the password, we'll enter that. And then we'll hit join. As soon as it ticks, we've connected, so we'll come out of that, and then we'll turn our Bluetooth on. After that we'll come out of here and we'll go to the capture app. And then we'll hit the camera sign on the top left. We'll go to add a new camera, continue, pair. Now it's saying we're connected. Now camera update available, it's telling us, and it's loading up, but you can update your camera from there as well. So right, this is the preview we're getting. So if I press record, it'll record. If I press record again, it'll stop recording. So basically that's how you connect up for the first time. So when you connect up for the first time initially, this is what you're doing. You're pairing the camera, the phone and the capture app together for the first time. Once you've done that once, you don't need to do it again that way. All you need to do is just connect them together. You don't need to pair them. So right, I'm going to come out of here and I'm going to show you how to connect up from now on. Just turn my Bluetooth off. Go to Wi-Fi. Right, we'll just turn our Wi-Fi off on the camera as well. So we'll slide the menu down, we'll go to connect, and before I go to the bottom I'll show you, you know where it says capture app here, it says disconnected, if you can see that. So that only tells you when you're connected or disconnected from the capture app. It doesn't do anything else apart from that. So right, we'll slide to the bottom where it says wireless connection, and you can see it highlighted. We'll hit that, and then as soon as it's unhighlighted, that means your Wi-Fi is disconnected. So right, I'll slide the menu down again and I'll turn it off. So I'll just come out of there. So right, this is how you'll connect up from now on. So I'll press the mode button to turn it on. We'll slide the menu down from the top. We'll go to connect. This time we'll go straight to the bottom where it says wireless connection. We'll just touch that. As soon as it highlights, you know it's connected. Now your Wi-Fi is connected. So I'll just slide that down. Go back to the phone, we'll go to Wi-Fi, we'll hit GP. As soon as it ticks, we'll come out of there, go to Bluetooth and turn that on. We'll come out of here, we'll go to the capture app, and then we'll hit the top camera sign, and now we'll hit this camera sign. It's offering us an update again, we'll do that later. And here, this is your preview now. So right guys, this is how you'll connect up from now on. So just remember that you don't need to pair up every time, or else you will have problems connecting up. So once you initially done it once, you just connect it. Another thing, when you finish with your camera, make sure you turn your Wi-Fi off. If you don't turn your Wi-Fi off, it will drain your battery. That's even if you turn the camera off, it will still drain your battery. So make sure you turn it off, because you don't want to come back and you want to start recording something and your battery's completely drained. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's been having problems. But before I do that, I'm going to show you again how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi. So what you do is you slide the menu down, go to connect, scroll all the way to the bottom, go to wireless connection, tab that, and you'll notice it's disconnected as well from there, so it's no longer highlighted. So right guys, that's how you disconnect from there. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's having problems, and thanks for watching guys. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.